Welcome! In this video, see how to import events from your Outlook into D2L. For example, if there is an event in your Outlook that also your students need to be made aware of so they too can attend. This process will show you how to add it to your course as a calendar event. Access your Outlook calendar event you want copied. Next, click File and Save As. I will save as and add to my desktop just to make it easier to find. Now, access your course. Open up the calendar on the navbar and go Import, Events and select Choose File. Find the iCal meeting and select Open. Select Import. Meeting has now been added to your course calendar. And there you have it. Super easy to add your calendar events into your courses for students. Thanks for watching.